What is going on, YouTube? In today's video, assembling my $40 Harbor Freight welding cart. And I was really back and forth about buying this one because I wasn't sure if my setup would be too big or if it was gonna not work out, but I decided to pull the trigger on this one because why not? It's 40 bucks. And if you didn't see my last video, pretty much gave an update on this car, which is my G35 sedan. Everything I bought for that, and this is going to tie in for that as well. So I have a welder already. We'll get into that later. I'll do a review on that after this is set up, but that'll be for a later video. So if you're new, go ahead and leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, hit that bell. Let's get right to it. So I'm going to attempt to unbox this. I don't have my GoPro head mount. Don't have a clue where I put it, but I'm going to use a car key to open this up. They did a majority of that for me, so it shouldn't be too hard. I might be able to do it without that.
A few moments later.
All right, so now I have the box open. It wasn't that bad. Honestly, one of the easiest boxes to open in my box opening career, but I was completely wrong. This actually did come with an owner's manual, and I believe it actually has some instructions in here on how to put it together. So all right, so the first thing you want to do is there's a metal rod that comes with it. This one, you just stick it through the side. I'll take this off because it's not hard, but just stick it through. There's a little hole down here for you. Just send that through there, slide it through, and throw the wheels on. And for some reason on the picture it shows washers on the inside and outside of the wheel like any normal setup would be, but they only had two. So in the directions it just says put it on the outside, so that's what I'm gonna do. So once you put that rod through, put your wheels on, and then there will be two cotter pins to slide through those holes to prevent it from flying off. Very simple. And honestly, this thing isn't moving much, so I don't care to add washers. But if you want to add washers, then add washers. So let's go ahead and do that, and I will be back once I'm done doing that. All right, so now we have that done, and I'm on the other side of it now. So pretty much that's how it looks. Take those cotter pins and bend them so it doesn't come out. Just like you would on any car, like if you're putting axle nuts in or something. So that's pretty much the first step. Very simple. It is flimsy, so if you want it to be a lot less flimsy, just add more washers. All right, so we got that done now. As you can see, like I explained earlier, just put the screws from the bottom pointing up. Then as you can see, there's the washers, and then the lug nuts, or the little nuts that go through them. So with these, I believe they're all exact same size, so it's pretty straightforward. So that's that. Next, we're gonna put these arms on, and those just go up right here. And I'm gonna throw one on, and then I'll explain how to do it. All right, so the next thing that I went ahead and did is you install this middle shelf, which is the smallest one. So it's not this one or that one. It's gonna be a small one. It'll have two little holes on each side, which same method as down there. You just put from the outside, you put the screw through with the washer and nut. Now I believe we're gonna go ahead and put the top shelf on too. So that's that. Then I'll go ahead and jump to the next clip. All right, so we finished it up. Two things I want to say. Number one, this cart uses all the same screws, bolts throughout the whole thing, so it's the same process. Number two, it did come with a lot of locking washers. Just make sure you use those on all the screws. I used them on the important ones because I forgot, but nevertheless. This is the final result. So as you can see, this is a huge gas tank. I believe it's the 155 cubic inches, cubic feet, whatever. It works. The other stuff is my welder, all the cables, and the helmet. So it went together just like it was supposed to, and I don't think I'm gonna have any problems with this. So that's that. One thing though, this bottom chain down here is very useless. That's gonna need some work, but that's my only complaint. For $40 for that to be the only problem, that's not bad, because this one holds it just fine. Like I can literally, it would take a lot. So that works. I'm gonna have to find a solution to the welder itself, because it's hidden right here. Just scoot it up. Yeah, it'll probably work like that. And yeah, so 40 bucks. It was worth it. Yeah, so it was worth it. And hopefully I can make a video of me using this thing very soon. So that's gonna do it for this one. Hope y'all like the setup so far. If you're on a budget, go ahead and buy it. It won't disappoint you. Unless you have a big welder and a big gas tank, it does only have 100-pound capacity. Make sure you know the weight of everything before you buy this one. If you just got a cheap little hobby setup, definitely the one. Big setups, don't buy it. So that's gonna do it for this one. If you like the welder setup, leave a like, subscribe, and throw me some suggestions for my people that do have this video or do have this welder or welding cart. So that's gonna do it for this one. Like, subscribe, drop a comment below, and I'll catch y'all on the next one.